Hello everyone, good evening. Gaurav will join shortly after 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Gorak.
Hi, yeah, hi, everyone.
Hello, Gaurav.
Hi, guys. Um, so, yeah, um, let's start. Today, we will try to complete one of the part regarding context, and then maybe you can try later. Once we complete the context, there are two contexts, right? Context of a card and of a product. Maybe we'll try to finish as much as possible, and then once we are done with some progress, then I think you can try yourself as well, the remaining portion. So in that way, we will try to finish this application. Maybe tomorrow we will go with testing the components in the current project, and then we will start and finish Redux as well in upcoming week. We'll start this week and finish in upcoming week, and maybe if possible we will integrate all of these together and create final React application. All right, so let's start. So any question, please? Do you have any question? Okay, then please open your VS Code and you can start live server. So I was looking at, let me see, I was looking at the some pull request. If I can see, I think I have already received two pull requests from Assis. So Assis, did you uh, send me some pull request with some update?
Yes, I think like today.
Yeah, right. So let's see. Okay, let me share my screen. Yeah, you sent me 2 PR right here. Yeah. So can you quickly explain, did you fix something or did you have some progress there? Assis, what are these PR about?
The so I just make like image the price and like the currency symbol display on our screen. Let's see. I can I share my screen once?
Yeah, sure, please.
And so what I did was and we had just, uh, one second. Yeah, it's here. Okay. Is it? Mm, So, uh, here, let me. So this is what I like kind of did.
Oh,
So
you
uh,
updated the images as well.
yeah. And what I did for that was let's see, I'm not trying to. No,
I think you added some components there as well, right? User list component.
uh, no, I did it in a little bit different way. Let's find Yeah, like I passed you image URL manually adding from our static data.
Okay. So where are these images actually in our static data, right? Image URL. There is one more field called image URL, right?
Yeah, that one I created in our model. Uh, I added one string
Yeah.
image link myself, and I
Great,
don't
great.
know this is the best way, but I
This is the way actually because from our database we will get a link for image as well. So we need to type that link. So instead of having images locally stored, the images are stored in some image storage platform, like most popular one are AWS S3 buckets, something like that, and the link will come from database. That's why it's fine to add image link there in interface iProduct. Yeah.
uh, for that I changed a little bit here. Let's see. No. Yeah. Here, it was div before, and it was not working with the div, and I changed it to img.
Right, right. Yeah, you need to change that, right? Because this is regarding image tag, right? And
Yes.
yeah, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
Great.
this is all about, and then the rest are like the links I just added manually, and for yeah, for the currency format, I just like per price, I just got it from the product,
Okay. Yeah.
and that's all about. Yeah, that's all about the things I did.
Thanks. Okay. Yeah, you changed. Yeah, I can just go over this and see on the file changes. Actually, is this another component that you added? User list component, right?
Actually, it was
And
my.
oh, sorry for that. Avinash, yeah. Oh, Avinash, yeah. You always, yeah.
So I
Yeah,
think
Avinash,
this
can you?
was
Yeah,
the. I think this was like the basic React back then, which I have committed previously. So this is not exactly my PR. So my PR was for the like part toggling thing. The main concept of PR was the part
the toggling of
toggle.
the card, right? On the right,
Yeah, yeah,
it will come and go
yeah,
on from the right. Okay.
yeah, yeah. So I think
Oh,
this is from the like previous commit. So it accordingly, yeah.
that's fine. Maybe you can send me if you have done some progress regarding toggling of the card.
Yeah,
Mm,
I have
Can
like completed the card toggling like process. Yeah. So I think there might be two commits. So the second commit might get the like I have written some message as well.
This one,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Let's see the changes.
Think I did it.
Okay, you added open card and close card function in use
Yeah.
card component. Okay,
Yes.
and you are receiving this state from the context and updating those state from this use card with the help of this use
Yeah.
card hook.
Yes.
And this will be called from your component, right? Your
Yeah. Card
card,
component.
and you have handle card toggle function there. Once you click on that button, then your this variable will become true. If you
Yeah.
click on,
Initially it's false. We have set it at false. So the our like so the first statement will be false. Like initially have like false. I think in great in our
also
context.
when
Yeah.
you
Can you hear
click,
me? And when I click, it's for initially it open the cart, and like if it's true, then it closes the cart.
yeah, this is what we need to do. We'll start from here then. Maybe let's see. You are rendering card here. Okay, I think I can merge this commit into main because this is what we need to do. So I will just uh, approve the commit, and then I can merge it in our main branch. See here, it is now going into the main branch once I click on confirm merge here. Now we only have that previous commit, I think, right? Uh, oh, not this one. Yeah, this is gone from here because I merged it. But if I see, I think I merged two commits there because you have two commits, right?
Yeah, the
These
first
two,
one, yes.
face and character of feature. And what is this about actually? This one?
Uh, I think this was for like the basic React we did like back then. I
Oh,
think I'm like manipulated it and I have like committed it previously, so it actually like
okay.
created PR request for both of them.
Yeah, maybe if you later changes something, you can remove it from your code and yeah,
Yeah,
then
okay,
come.
sure.
Okay, we'll do that. And let me see for commit analysis. And there are many commits. So we have around 6 file changes. And yeah, we do it while we review the code. We will see what are the file changes, what is done here, right? I think Assis, you have some conflict here. This is such kind of when you see such kind of syntax, it means there is some conflict. You need to resolve it actually. So maybe you and did you pull from main branch or some other branch before
Uh,
commit
yeah, I think so. Like I,
this portion? Most of them are. I think you have. Yeah, you have added images as well, right?
the link for the in the
Image link.
yeah the new data type. I mean
And
the
maybe
properties.
maybe you also have. Let me see. Yeah, product.ts. Let me see this one. Right, you have added this image link. This is fine actually. This is what we need. I wish I can merge this person. Oh, this is a very huge link, right?
Sorry, need to. I didn't was careful on that one.
So let me see what are the changes. Maybe I can merge this one. If I merge this, the application may not work because we don't need this app.js, I think, right? I can delete this one. And product.tsx, here you are passing image URL, currency format, and price. Great. And in our style.ts, now you are passing image, you are typing the image here, and where are you using that image?
I think at like, let's see, uh, in product.tsx.
But you are passing image here, right? This is src. Maybe you are using src somewhere as a background image. We didn't use that previously.
Yeah, that one I was, yeah, I did in the image properties, the search for that. And
image. This one is the image. Yeah, right here. You are receiving, okay, background read. But have you mentioned this src somewhere? Okay, maybe we'll see this one. This is fine.
no, that's the only place I think I mentioned SRC.
Oh, yeah, I got you. Because you are using ing tag now, right? So you
Yes.
replace that. Okay. Maybe we'll try to do it in other way because we already have that background property there. Previously, maybe I just think that we added in to-do list. We will complete that one.
Yes.
And yeah, just try to resolve this PR and maybe just send me another
Okay.
one.
Sure. Sure. Thank you.
Right. Okay, then let's go into the project. We were here. Here is one issue actually. Product is missing. See, yesterday I completed the product person, and product is now accepting a prop, right, from products.tsx. It is accepting a prop called product. So, but here, while I'm testing, I'm not accepting a product. That's why it is the issue in test. So product is missing type object actually. So that object is iProduct. What we need to do is here as well, product should be some data. And currently we don't have any data, right? But we have our mock data. This is like mock data. We usually do it with static data. We store some static data and we actually import it. And I think this is products. We need to import here. Import products from. So let me go with this relative URL, static products, and then products. Okay, what is happening? Products is not coming. Maybe it is declared but not used. That's why this is the issue. Now we will pass this here. Okay, but still here is the type error actually. So yeah, maybe we will later continue the test portion. So just see if you can pass this test, okay? Otherwise, without this, it will not pass the test. So I'll comment it for now. I cannot comment a screen, that's why let me at least get that screen from here. The test will not fail now. If you go React TypeScript perform and test. Okay, it is failing actually. So add to cart is failing. So let's see the term. Maybe we have should test the product and it fails somewhere here. Maybe we are not rendering that initially, so it cannot find that text in our test as well. So you need to render, and then it can find this text, because we are trying to get this text without rendering our component here. That's all. Okay, these are for your part. These are the to-do list actually. So maybe just try to fix this, and yeah, let's try to send progress through PR, and then maybe I'll resolve it here. It will replace your code with your code, and I think it will be solved. Okay, for now, before changing something here, let me see. I changed something here, right? Sometimes now I realize that I have some changes on my master branch as well, because I merged currently the PR from Avinash right here. There are two comments coming from him, so I need to get this on my VS Code as well. So, but I have some local changes here as well. At this time, if I remove this, discard it, I lost my progress here. So instead, what I can do is I can save this in some temporary location, and that temporary location is called stash. So I can just write git stash, and see now this is gone in that stash. Now it is reverted to the previous one. So what I can do now is I can now fetch from his branch, actually from master branch, because I have already merged on the master branch. So I will do git pull origin master or main. This is main branch, right? Change the name. It is main. Let me hit enter. I'm receiving here the changes, and the changes is done in app.js. Let me see. Okay. We have our app.js. Where is our app.js? Is it somewhere here? Or let me see the resource src app.js, but I'm not seeing the file here.
I think it was the commit for other project Basic React.
And later you removed it?
Yeah, I think like I committed that
Oh, it
initially,
is
like
for
when I
this
was
one.
doing. Yeah.
Yeah, basic React. Yeah, it has mentioned here as well. Oh, you are doing some changes here on the basic React. Okay.
Yes, that was the case. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe as you can do changes on our remaining portion for feedback app as well, because this is also remaining. We haven't actually, I actually asked everyone to complete the remaining portion. Maybe every one of you can send me PR here as well, feedback app. Okay, for the React TypeScript here, we have these three files changed. One is app.tsx. It is inside here. And, yeah, you have this one is enabled now, cart, right? And in our cart.tsx, let me go there, cart.tsx. Sys has added one quick handler function here, and this function is defined here. And he is obtaining these three things from use cart, and he has also updated this use cart. So use cart is the context actually.
That's not me.
Oh, Avinash, sorry about the confusion. Sorry, guys. It's Avinash, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
yeah.
get credit.
Just confused about the name. Okay, and we did some made some changes here. Okay, that's great. We will start from here then. Now, I have to save something on temporary location called stash. If I do the stash list, I can see this is the stash, I think. I'm not seeing this message shouldn't be there because I haven't had it. Let me see what will happen if I do git stash pop, because previously I did git stash. Then to get that out, I'll do git stash pop. And now you can see my change is now here once again. So it is back here. Yeah, then I can commit at this point. So to do for product paste updated, and we don't have any changes. Now we can start from here once again. Okay. Yeah. Any question? Right. And
So just to make sure, I have git pulled the repo. That means like we are all set, right? I'm following with you, right?
uh,
In React TypeScript, I have git pulled. Um,
yeah.
am
So
I in sync with you right now?
right. If you do git pull origin main, just do git pull origin main, it will pull the main branch. Okay. Just go here and we start git pull origin main, and you'll be sync with me right now.
Okay, thank you.
But we don't have the final application, I think, right? We just want to see what it looks like. I think the server is down. Let me see github.com. And I want to go and search that one. We picked this one, but this is down now, I think. Let me see. Otherwise, what I will do is I will post it myself. So, okay. And let's see about the product status. It is once again, the database is exceeding the limit. What we can do is, guys, when you just want to see some application yourself, right? And you don't want see the output yourself, and this is not working right now. And you can fork it here. You can see the fork option, watch option, star option, right? You can do it with our one repository as well. So you can just go there and click on this fork. And now it's going to make a copy of this repository to my repository. Okay, you can see copy the main branch only. So we can also copy the branches as well. So if you want to copy all the branch or just the main branch, so just want to copy the main branch. So now we can click on create fork. Let's see. Let's see what happens. So if I now go in my branch, in my repository section here, now I'm not seeing, yeah, right here. This is the one, right? So I just copied this to my repository. So now what I can do is I can edit some file here. So for example, I can go to src. I can just type dot here. It will open in VS Code in the browser. So, yeah, see this VS Code looks like our Visual Studio code here. Okay, this is the output actually, right? And right now, as well, right now it is not hosted somewhere. This is the link of the hosted, previously hosted one. So what I will do is I will go to services. Here is the API fetch actually happening from that React Firebase. What I will do is I'll remove this person from here. Okay? I just want to use those static data because the database is down. It is not working. So I think this should work. So let me see. Now there is one commit, and I'll do used locally hosted data. Let me commit and push. And if I now go in that repository, once again, this is updated here now, just updated. And if I see these commits, see, Now my commit is added here. Okay, but let me see to the original one. Original one is not affected, right? Original one doesn't include my commit, but this is the copy of that original one, and it has added one commit that I just added. And what I did is I removed this data coming from Firebase and used the locally hosted data. Now I just want to host it somewhere. So can you tell me how can I host this application, which is in my GitHub? This one.
Using Marshall.
Yeah, we can use Vercel. Let's go there. And let's create on this project. And I can get this one from here. Let me import it. And yeah, I can name it whatever we want. So this is a TypeScript application. We make this URL. And let's see if it can deploy it or not. If it can deploy, then we will see the output working. Yeah, because it is using create React app, right? This application that we are seeing is using create React app actually. Create React app is a little bit slower. It will take some time here as well, I think. And you can see in package.json, there are not a lot of dependencies, but some dependencies here. I think the commit message, okay. And not much of dependencies, but still create React app is building process is not that much faster as compared to Versa, that Vite. So it is doing these jobs here. Actually, initially it has started from here, and now it has actually, oh, okay. It has node engine error. Oh, it has completed, I think. Now we have the output here. See, this is working now. Now we can see this application from here instead of watching that live URL. So this is the URL that I hosted in my Vercel. So it may go down if I delete it from there or if I change some settings, but we can see the output now. Yeah, maybe you can try it. This is really easy, right? For example, if you sometime if you are searching for some project in GitHub, and let's say you want to build some blog website. So you want to build blog in blog website in the React. Okay, you search with this text, and you want to see there are some repository, and when you scroll down, maybe this is Jamstack, something different, Next.js. This is, I think, the just using JavaScript. It is also not using TypeScript, but I think it is using Next.js. You can see this from here, and you can just inspect what are the framework used there, packages used there as well. And this is also Next.js. See how much popular is Next.js. If you want to build blog application, then you need to use Next.js. So yeah, for example, let's say you want to anyhow use this one, this essay. This is the personal blog, and maybe there is a link as well. Let's see. Yeah, this is the final one. Okay. Maybe we can click somewhere to view the blogs. Uh, let's see. Yeah, this is really minimal one, I think. Yeah, these are the list. Okay, these are the index. Okay, yeah. Okay. So when I click here, I will see, yeah, a very minimal one and looks cool as well. So if you want to actually run it in your Vercel, what you can do is click on this work button and then go to Vercel. It is deploying now. And go to Vercel and then you can just grab it from there and create a project. And then it will actually um, be open in your Vercel, and it acts like a live URL. Okay, you can share that link to others as well. So it will be helpful if you want to just see the output. Vercel seems to be a little bit faster than your local one as well. If I try to install this in my local PC, in my VS Code, I think it will take more time because I need to install node modules there. I need to actually, yeah, the development starting process is a little bit slower as well compared to Vercel. Okay, yeah, our main goal is to get this output here. Now we can see this output. Maybe I can send it to you if you want to just look at the URL yourself, because we will be constantly looking at it. And now we want to build this part here. And once I click on this, we want to build this part as well. Once I click on this add, see, this is added, this product is added to cart. If I now once again click, can you see the quantity is increased? So when I'm clicking it, the quantity is increased. But when I'm clicking on the next product is added here. Okay, and you can see how this output is also, this total value is also changing, the total sum of the products, as well as this is like installment. If you want to do it in 12 installment, you need to pay 6.90 maybe per month. So yeah, when I remove it from here, it is now updated, as well as the products. Yeah, this value is also updated, right? 5. If I increase the value, it becomes 6. So actually we want to complete this portion today. At least when I click here, at least let's make this all dynamic. Let's have products here as well. And when we click here, then it should actually provide this pop-up coming from right to left. And when I click here as well, it should open that pop-up from right to left. Okay. Yeah. Any question? Anyone? Before starting this one.
The same question substance. I know you did something. You have forked and like pulled the changes. Do we need to do the git pull uh, origin main again to be synced
Uh,
with?
no, no. This has not affected our repository here. I did it in separate repository. So what fork will do is it will copy and create a similar repository, but that is the separate one, not affected with the current one. That's why you don't have to pull it once again. So you can when you go in my profile right now, you will see there I have this React shopping cart, and you will see some description here. It is forked from this author, and I forked it because I just want to serve it through Vercel. We want this URL because our main URL is down. That's why we created ourselves.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So okay, let me just copy this one and do test mode. Yeah. Any more question? Anyone before starting it? Yeah, we'll constantly see this person here. Now if we go here, if you want to, yesterday we were doing something regarding our product component. Let's start from there. Here, okay. This is the product component right here. Okay, just open this one, guys. Everyone just open this file, and then I'll just start it in a few seconds. Okay, I'm just waiting for you. Open it and run this as well. So go to test is running here. We don't run it right now. You can just write yarn dev to serve this your browser. Okay, now here we have, we just want to check, because currently if I click on add to cart, nothing is happening here. If I click here, nothing. Oh, is it opening? Yeah, because Avinash, right? Avinash implemented it. This is the feature I haven't done yesterday, but Avinash implemented it. Maybe we'll have a look at it. And we will do the same thing from here as well. If I open in, see on our final output, if I click on add to cart, similar thing is happening. Our cart is coming here. So we want to do the same thing here. Okay. Yeah. Please everyone just open this one, this person, and start your server. I'll just start in 1 minute. Okay. Let me wait for 1 minute so that you can start the development server, and then we'll start together. Maybe you can ask me some questions in between if you have. All right, everyone. Can we start now? How many of you just want to do it together here? Maybe if more of you can participate, better it will be. So yeah, can I just know, guys, how many of you are doing together here?
Yeah, yes, Gaurav.
Together.
I'm following with you, but it made me install Yarn again. I just forked it, so like I'm just, but I can follow. You can start and I'll be able to follow you.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, Avinash is also joining. Piyush is also here. Yeah, thanks, guys. Ramji as well. Sis as well. Okay. Yeah, let's do it together then. Maybe sometimes you can help me. I will be stuck in between. So yeah, you can just help me if I'm uh, actually taking some more time to fix simple issue here. Okay, then. So the first question is to complete the product component. Can you tell me what are the things that we are missing here in product component? Product component is missing images, right? And it is missing the price, and it is missing this functionality. When I click here on add to cart, it is missing that functionality. That pop-up is not coming from right to left, and it is missing this shipping status as well, because all of these products are not free shipping. Because when I go there in the product section in static product, here I can see the shipping status. This is free shipping. The other one is also free shipping, but this one is not a free shipping product. So for this third product, this one, scatter, this product, this may be anywhere in our list as well, this one here. So this is the third one. We need to remove this free shipping tag from here for this product, because the free shipping is not available to this product, right? And we need to add the price section here. And yeah, we need to implement this button. Okay, let's start from that free shipping status. I think this is really simple. So let's go to product.tsx. And can you tell me, everyone, how can I actually update this free shipping? Free shipping is coming from product, right? Do we have product here in our product component? Do you have it?
Yes.
Okay, product is here. Then can we get that? What is the value of that one? Let me see once again here. Can we get this is free shipping in our component then?
Yes, we can.
So what should we do?
We can do like product dot free shipping is free shipping. We can like short circuit instead
Okay,
of
we
free shipping.
can, instead of writing free shipping here, I can write product dot is free shipping, right? This one.
Yeah.
And only doing this much, will it update the status?
Yeah, I think if it's false, then we are like circuiting right there.
Right, right, right. If it is false, it will not go and render this component, right? It will just
Yes.
short circuit here and it will just complete this process here. So let me save it. Now see, the status is updated. So only those products are shown who have this tag whose free shipping is true now. Some of them are not having free shipping here. Great. So we need to write product many times. Product here, product here. Maybe we need to write for value as well, product or price, something like that. Can we remove product from all of the location? Just write is free shipping, title. I mean, can we do object structuring? Right? Somewhere here we have product object already available. Maybe, yeah, product object. So from product, I want is free shipping, right? Title. These are the two things currently required, right? Now we don't need this product dot all the location. Can remove it from here. Can remove it from here. Okay. So we don't need this one as well. So what happens here? Something is wrong. Oh, this is object destructuring, not array destructuring. So I need to do this. Now, if I save it, there is same thing. This is the same thing. Okay, great. So once again, now we need price section here, right? Oh, we need images as well. Maybe let me grab some updated product like who did it? I think it is done by Asis, right? You updated the image URL,
Yeah,
right,
just in
Asis,
the
in your PR?
static.
Yeah, yeah. Let's do the same thing in our case as well. Maybe I can get it from somewhere. From the pull request. Let me. I think you cannot see my screen now. Let me just bring it here. So I can go to his pull request. At least I can use his product, updated product having image URL. So the file are changes. I just want to go to this file, this one, and view it. Okay, I just want to copy everything from here because he is having this image link. So let's just paste it, replace this product with his update his value image link. Now if I save it, something will not work now, maybe some error somewhere, but everything is fine. But we need to update our model because we are not using image URL. If I just write, for example, I just want to write src here equals, let's say product dot, now image URL is not here, right? What should I need to do to get that image URL there?
Need to add one in model like pro in iCart.
In model,
Sorry, iProduct. Yeah.
yeah, we need to update this interface for the product because we added one more property called, what is that, image URL, right? Image URL. Let's go there. Image link, actually. Okay, image link. That's fine. Image link, maybe Better name will be image URL, but that's fine. But if you want to update sometimes for all of this location, you can press Command D in Mac, Control D in Windows, and just write the updated name here if you want to do that. Okay, all of the location now image link is updated with image URL. That's fine. You can use any of them. And yeah,
what was the shortcut that you used to like update multiple
yeah, let's go there. First, just select the first one which you want to update, and others will be also highlighted, right? You can see this is also highlighted. All of these are highlighted, right? And
yes.
now you need to press what are you using? Are you using Mac or Windows?
I'm currently on my Windows. Cool.
So you need to type press Control with one finger and D with another finger. Control D. Can you do that?
Yes, it's
Yeah,
working.
now it is selecting the two
Yes.
image link, but others are not selected. You can keep on doing if you want to select multiple
Oh,
or
okay.
all of them. Yeah, and
Okay.
all of these are selected from here. Now you can type, all of them will be typed, see?
Yes.
So yeah,
Cool. Thank you.
this is sometimes useful. So let's type this here, image URL. Now we will get image URL here now. If I not just type dot, now see image URL is here. Okay, but I think if I pass src, I need to change div to image img tag. Instead, I will pass image URL itself. Image URL equals the value is also image URL. I need to destructure it and get it from here, image URL. Okay, but you can write anything here, right? You can just write URL only. That's fine. Okay, and let me pass in URL. This is the image URL. The value is image URL. Now I need to type image there because previously in image, if I go here, I'm just accepting alt. Now I'm also accepting image or URL. I'm accepting URL here. And now that should also be available. Now it is working. See, now I can pass those image the URL in prop URL, and I'm receiving this here. Okay, let me go all the way down. And if you remember, I removed something from here previously, right? If you go to the final repository, which we are using, let me see if I can get it here. The final one. Okay, this is the final one. So if I go to src in our components, in our products folder, in our product section, in our style.ts, when I scroll all the way down for images, see background image attribute is also there. We can say this is the CSS property so that we need. Okay, let's have it here. Okay, so previously it was in our to-do list. I think this is not a good practice to do. We are requiring a static product. Instead of doing this, what we will do is we'll do the similar approach, but we will not require it from here. We will just remove this portion only. Okay, so I just want to remove this part only, or maybe I can do it from scratch. It will help you understanding it better. Okay, let me remove everything. So we want background image here, background image property, and that background image property should contain URL, right? That you are inside that URL, I need to pass the URL of the image. So do I have URL of the image available? So when I pass something in the props, how can I receive it in CSS? Those props?
Using function.
Yeah, using function in there. But I cannot write function here, right? What should I do? Cannot just write this syntax here. This is a function syntax. Instead, I need to first go in JavaScript mode, right? Insert in template string here. Now I can write it. So here, if I destructure, so I can get theme, but I want image URL, right? So that is URL only, URL. I want it, but it is not available. See here, but SKU, what is passed? Let me see in our product through container. SKU is there. It should be available here. By doing it. So yeah, maybe this is object structuring. And okay, we have theme here. Theme is available. For example, I can write theme dot. I can use this value from theme. This is working, but we have something more like prop. For example, SKU. It should be here. SKU is here because we passed it, but it is having some issue there. Let's see. Okay. In our container, let's go to container. In our container here, so we are not able to access that SKU as well. Can you see what am I missing? I need to be able to access those there, right? But these are not here inside image. See, SKU is a part of container. If I write SKU here, it will work. But SKU is not a part of image. SKU is not a prop of image. It is the prop of image is URL. So if I now try to write URL here, still it is not working because it is inside container. So let's do one thing here. Let me just do not have anything right now. This is completely blank. So what we will do is we will move this portion from here, everything regarding image, because we already have image here, right here. So we will move it into image section. So let's take this from here to here. So I can just get this CSS only, and let me remove it from here. So we are doing something with CSS, and we will paste it inside our image here. Okay, now the benefit of doing this is now I can have access to that prop called URL. The URL is a function, okay? We are passing the same name, don't be confused. So otherwise I can go with image link, something like that, okay? And I need to just update the name here as well. So, okay, URL is the function. In that function, I need to have that image link. Image link is coming from our prop. So I need to first go in JavaScript and actually insert simple arrow function here. And this arrow function will actually accept that prop, and the prop is the prop name that we want is image link, img link. See here, the suggestion is coming now. Now I can have img link, and I can just return img link from here. Okay, so this is the background image that we want, background image URL. Let me save it, and hopefully, see, these images are now coming here. So these are from Ashish collection. So I think this is not having the image. Not able to find the image for this one, but at least we have the images here. Okay. Maybe I have some other data as well for images. Let me show you those as well, because your static product is now containing this URL from here. Usually you have this URL from your database storage somewhere. So this URL, you can just change this URL anytime. If you want to have some other images, you can just replace it, right? Let me just try to show you here. This is just a simple thing, but the image link can be different. Yeah, you can have any image link. You can just go in Google, for example, and just search for this image somewhere for now, and you can just get this image. Let me just copy link address. This is just for educational purpose, so it won't matter right now. Let me go and have this URL here. If I save it now, you will see it will change the URL and it will change the image. I think it is not able to capture that image from here. Maybe I can visit. Okay, it is not available. Okay, that's fine. Let me just grab this one randomly and let me see if this is working. This link. Yeah. Copy email address. Okay, this is the email address we want, and I will replace it here. You can save it now. Now I have this image. Yeah, you can just replace this image with any image URL here. Okay. So this is the one part, and we actually yeah, this is the proper way actually. Okay, instead of doing that require thing, you will write the appropriate URL CSS value called URL function, right? This is the URL, and in there we are passing this coming from our product. Now I can change it, right? I can change it anytime. For example, if I have another product, if I have multiple static product, for example, I may have backup product as well. So for example, um, backup, let's say products.ps. So let me try to get these things from somewhere where the image URL is changed, maybe in the, okay, I think I can get it from here. Okay, I have just added image URL similar to what Asis did. So we have image URL, but it should have the same name, IMAZE URL. Let me go and change it here, location and image URL. Now what we can do is we can just go in our product. Instead of getting those static product, where is this coming from actually? This product is actually coming from our products component. See, in our products component, it is actually receiving this as a prop. So finally we need to see where this product component is rendered. It is rendered inside app component, right? App.tsx, and we are getting this product from here. And where is this product coming from? Here actually. Okay, so I can change the location now. I have the same thing here as well, the products, but they are coming from backup products now. If I go in app.tsx and just write backup products, and if I save it now, those images will be replaced from this database. So these are like our static data in our local data, local storage here. Maybe when server is down, you can replace it with the static data. Okay. Yeah. Any question, guys? Anything until now?
Not with the code itself, but the files that we have that I have seems to be completely different than what you have. Like I seem to be missing a lot of stuff here. Can I share my screen and show it to you like what I'm having right now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I previously like I did the git pull origin main and it says already up to date. And then like I
Mhm.
like was trying to follow you with the products.tsx, but it's missing all the imports. Like it doesn't have image and other components which were imported in your file, and it's also missing the SKU thingy over here, and also in
Okay.
the static products as you showed, it is missing like quite a few stuff. Like it doesn't have the URL, the image URL
Right.
listed.
Okay. So do you have some local change right now? Any
I
local
do not.
changes?
No, I do not have any local changes going.
Okay, let me push this code and just keep on sharing your screen and try pulling it from Git once again.
Okay.
Let me post the latest commit.
Okay.
So I committed with one extra message. Can you try doing git pull origin main once again? Mm, yeah. Okay, now you have this thing
Yes.
coming from here. Okay. Yeah.
Cool.
I think previously you don't have those data coming from main branch. Maybe there was not data in the main branch. Now you have this. Can you go and verify in products as well? Product section.
The SK.
Actually, it is inside product. I think previously you also have that inside product folder.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the
Right.
single. This is
Yeah.
for single product actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. That makes sense. Cool. Thank you.
Okay. So yeah. Yeah, guys. If you do together with me,
Uh,
then it
Excuse
will
me.
be easy.
Just
Yeah.
uh, that the branch you're working on is Gorak branch. If you did not notice, or you're doing there itself, I don't know, but it's in Gorak branch.
Oh,
For
yes. I see.
oh, for right. Yeah, yeah. Maybe you can correct that one. Or work on my branch, it won't matter, but eventually we need to solve some issue. Maybe you can send PR from there as well. That's fine. So okay, so um oh, let's complete this portion here for that price now. Guys, can you try yourself? Do you think you can update this section? What do you think? Uh, okay, then let's do it here. I think most of you are not doing here as well. If I otherwise, if around 10 to 15 participants are interacting, then it will be good to do it yourself. I may wait here for 5 to 10 minutes, and maybe you can complete this section, and then we can discuss after that time. But right now, only 5 or 6 of you are joining, I think. Mm, yeah, maybe tomorrow most of us may join, I assume so. But right now, let's do it here. Okay, I don't want to waste the time of others. So let's complete this price portion. So we have this value. Now we want to add price here. Okay, where is this price coming from? We have price, right? Coming from our product. Price is also here. So I can just write price here simply. But if I just write price, it will give me something which is not that much aesthetic in look. But if we see here, the price is formatted in nice way. So dollar sign is little bit smaller. The price before decimal is little bit bigger, price after decimal, and you can see the formatting here as well for the installment process. This is actually the installment. Okay, if you divide 10 by 9, you will need to pay this 10.90 by 9. You need to pay $1.21 in 9 installments to just buy this product. So yeah, we need to actually format it. So we need to have one field for currency, right? If you go in the final section, previously I think I did it as well. We have used this is the small HTML element to display something in small text. So um, here we want to actually display the currency symbol, right? Currency format, you can say. Let's go here. Currently, I'm using backup products here, and we have this currency format here. Okay, we have this NPR as well. So let's grab it, right? We can just restructure it here. Currency format. Now I can write currency format here. Currency format, right? Now if I save it, this is what we need to get, right? Oh, it's crashed. Something is wrong. What happened actually?
Grab it from
Currency format.
style. Yeah. You need to
Oh, yeah,
destructure
sorry.
it from product.
Yeah, right here. Yeah. Okay, we have this currency uh, symbol or currency format only available right now. So now we need to actually display the currency itself. So right here, maybe in you can do it in deep tag or in span tag. Okay, whatever you want. Let me put it in span tag. And here um, we directly have price, right? You can format it however you want. But what I want to do here is, for example, the format is slightly different, right? For currency itself, price before and price after. You can manipulate this price, right? You can create one function, utility function somewhere to actually do those things. Don't do here, okay? Initially, while we are working somewhere, we try to do everything in the same component. This is about formatting the price. So let's go somewhere and create another folder for that one. So what we will do is we will create something called utils. Similar folder names are created for such kind of thing. So we just want to format the price. Format the price. Format price.ts is the name there. And let's say that we want to format this price in this order here. Okay, can I how can I do this here? Any idea? What should I do here actually? Do I need to import or what should I create here? Maybe a JavaScript object or array or function or something or simple variable to format that price. Because this will be imported later here and we'll replace this person.
Probably a styled component.
Styled component. This is actually okay. Actually styling is done here already for that person. See? So we maybe all the way down in value section here. Okay, here we have this b tag. Styling is done for b tag. Let me add b tag there as well, right here. So yeah, this b tag will just separate it. We will see that one. What I want to say is this is done already here. Small styling. But if you want to do some more styling, the styling for price is also done, right? Oh, this is VAL here. Maybe we have that class here somewhere. Or go. Let me just go to styling. Let me see quickly here. This is for price, and this is to create another class inside here. And this is one. Let me replace this one with value for now. We have some consistency. But don't worry about that one. This is just style this person. But we don't want, we want to something like, let's have a situation like, let's say we have a price here. We want to do something because I introduced this utils and we want to just have the importance of utils there. Let's say we have this price, maybe dot 45. This is the price that we have, 1000.45. And we want to make this smaller, maybe, or bigger. This one is smaller, and maybe for price, which is Nepali rupees, we want to have comma there. In some currencies, they used to write comma. In some currency, they used to write a dot, right? Maybe that is different for different currency, right? Maybe you know some of the currency. Maybe I can replace this with those currency. So what I mean is some currency may have comma, some currency may have dot here. So how can we dynamically change this portion here, this part? Maybe for price, it needs to display 1000 comma 45. But from database, it is coming in this format. We need to replace this with what we can write this one here. So this is just about that one. Maybe you may have different thing, right? For let's say there is some additional tax added, some additional value added tax added in the country. For example, for Nepali rupees, same product in Nepal is displayed like 1200, let's say, instead of 1000. And same product in other currency is displayed in rupees, in USD, maybe $1 or $2. Okay, and yeah, how can we just how can we add different tax in different country? This is about formatting the price, right? Manipulating the price depending upon the location, maybe depending upon the currency. Okay, currency that you are paying. If you are using this Nepali rupees, paying in Nepali rupees, then you need to actually pay 1200. Maybe if you are paying, if you are doing the same thing in USD, maybe that will be around $1 only. Okay. So yeah, for those kind of thing, we need to actually have some different utility function, and we will actually check each and every currency here, and we will just make a simple utility function here, like format those currencies, or format price of the product actually. What we will do is we will export it from here eventually, but here we will receive the price, and we will also receive the what is the currency symbol that we have here, currency ID. We'll also receive currency ID here in our utility function. And when we receive that currency ID, we will check it here. So if that currency ID is equals to, let's say NPR, Nepali rupees, then we just want to return something like let's say we want to return the value where we want to add 10% tax. Means in our existing price, right, we want to add 10% price. Is this the way to add 10% price in the existing price? Can we do that? Right. So but this price is, what is this price? What is the type of the price? Price is integer. So let's go in our formatter function here. It is a number actually, not integer. Currency ID is string. So now we need to call this function. So we need to call this function from product actually, right? Are you understanding what am I doing here? Or let's say we have this currency ID. Maybe I can return a price with let's say template literal. Inside template literal, I want to return a string from here. You can just write a string as a return value as well. Now this is a string. If I do not return a string, it will provide me error there. Now see, string is not returned. There is error. So we want to return a string having price. I can do it in this template literal, and I want to add that currency ID here as well. Currency ID, okay? Maybe currency format if they are same. So I just want to introduce the currency ID, and it will have currency ID and the final price here. Now And what happens here? So function lacks ending. So it is returning. It will always not return. It will always do not have currency NPR, right? Sometimes it will not have that currency. At that time, it will not execute this if block. At that time, it will just return undefined. So we need to actually take care of that undefined as well. It may return undefined or string. So this is a simple utility function that we wrote here for formatting our currency. So what we can do now, we can grab it here. So here I can just have that format price coming from utils format price. See, it is imported here. Now what I need to do is pass price in there. All right. And then currency ID as well. But do we have currency ID? Like we need to pass this currency ID there as well. But we can get it from product currency format. Okay, you can pass currency format if you need as well. So currency ID is here. Just pass it here. It is passed in format price. So finally, we will get the formatted price. Formatted price is here. Now, instead of writing price here, let's write formatted price. But it is already having currency format. I think I don't need to do this here now. I can simply return a price which is updated. Only the price. Now it will be number. Now price is updated here. Now this is the formatted price or updated price, you can say. Instead of writing price here, I'll write updated price. Okay, let's not worry about this one. And if I save it now, see, this is updated now. The value added tax is added. It is 10%, right? The tax in maybe let's have a simple number here in our product. Or how can we remove this decimal? Only we need to have, we just want 2 decimal part. How can I remove the rest of them in JavaScript? You know, any way to remove this extra decimal? See how many decimals are coming here. For example, if we have price like 22 by 7, and if I save it, these most decimals are here. So we just want to remove the extra decimals from there. We just want to have two decimals point only. Yeah, we can use multiple approaches. There is a simple function called toFixed, and we can fix this decimal up to 2 points. Let's have this in bracket, and we want to fix it. Now it will return a string. I think toFix will return a string. Once again, I need to type it as string. Yeah, you can do it in integer as well. You can convert it, but that's fine. Now if I save it, see, it is updated now. Only for Nepali currency, okay? For other value, it will not be updated. So yeah, but other is not having any value here because I didn't took care of the other price, right? So I can say if this is Nepali currency, only add value this VAT, otherwise just return the price. Simply return the price from here. Now there is a conflict. Price is a number, you are returning a string here. Sorry, yeah, you are returning a string, but you are returning number. Either you can accept all of this here. This will be solved, right? Still not, yeah, number, you can write number here. Now it should solve. Now we have this price. This is not a good practice actually, having all of this here. Most of the time you can also remove this one as well. So we just want to always pass a string. So what can we do? We can simply stringify this, convert this to string. Okay, if you want, or you can convert this to number as well, just by writing plus there. But now let me see. Yeah, now this is of type number. We are dealing with TypeScript here. Now you don't have to do this here. So what I did here, just by having this plus sign, you can either write number and put this everything in this bracket to convert this to number. This is fine, but Instead of having number there, you can just write plus sign. It should work. Okay, now we have a simple utility function. Maybe you can do for different other currencies as well. Maybe um, for rest of the currencies, for NPR only, you are applying 10% VAT, let's say, extra tax. But for other price, let's say you just want to apply 5% tax. So, or yeah, any other percentage, but we want to apply some value to rest of the price. So let's do it with 1.05, right? I can multiply with 1.05 because this is like price plus like price times, this is like price plus price times 0.05, something like this, right? We can write it in this way as well. Price times 1.15. Yeah, now you can see the 5% tax is added to rest of the product. You can do the same thing once again here, convert it to 2 decimal point, and finally convert it to number here. Oh, finally convert this to number here. Okay, so now we have this price here. Now this price is different from this price actually. The price that we have in our database. The price that we have in our database is this price actually, but you are paying this amount. So what I was trying to illustrate from here is you can manipulate the price. For that case, you need to create some utility function somewhere and just get it here and use it. All right. Any question, guys? Is this fine? Okay, then so after this, we need to work on this card part. This is completed. The CSS portion is remaining. Okay, the final one we have, this is bigger, this is smaller. CSS is already there. Try to apply the CSS here and send me PR. Then I'll merge it here and I think it should work. Okay, I think you can do that yourself. Just try applying CSS here and make it that look something like this one. And this is also completed. Now we need to work on this part, add to cart. Okay, this is not done. This is already done. So let's do this one. We'll explain this one as well. Maybe we can take some break and then continue this portion. Guys, what do you think? All right, so let's meet after around 10 minutes and then we will implement this feature here. Yeah, if you have some question, maybe you can ask me before going into break. All right, then let's meet after 10 minutes. Hello everyone. I think it's already more than 10 minutes, guys. Can we continue now?
Yes, Gaurav.
Okay, let's start this card process. We uh, we want to have some feature there. Like when I click on that add to cart, um, it should actually add this product to our cart. That is the one feature. But before adding this to cart, it should open that cart from right to left, because when you go to the final one, when you click here, it is opening this from here to here, right? So we are opening it from right to left. So can you tell me from where are we opening our cart? I mean, what are we using to open and close that cart? Maybe Avinash has already, yeah, right. We are using is open. So when we click on add to cart, we need to activate that is open, right? We need to make that is open true, correct?
Yes. Yes.
So add to cart is here. But where is our is open?
In our context.
All right, in our context. And we already used it in some hook from that context as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You have created that use cart hook there. Let's go to cart context, use cart hook. And this is already here from context, and you have updated it from your cart.
Yes.
So you have these two functions, right?
Yeah.
Open cart and close cart. Maybe we can directly call this open cart to open it, and close cart to close it. Okay, maybe if we can do that, then we can either open this cart or close that cart. Guys, do you think you can do that? Once you click on that add to cart, you need to
Yeah.
open it or close it.
Yeah,
Okay,
we can do that.
so okay, then can you provide me some instruction? What can I do here in product?
Okay. Like initially I think we need to like consume we need to get like that cart, use cart hook.
Okay, yeah, we need to have that use cart hook here. Okay, use cart is here now, coming from our cart context. So we need to get something from use cart as well.
Yeah. We need like is open and open close cart.
We want is open and close the cart. This is the first one, or open the cart. We just want to
Yeah.
open this, right? We don't want to
Yeah.
close it. So we
Yeah,
don't need
yeah.
this.
Okay. So we
Is open. So okay. Do we want is open here? Maybe if we want, we'll get this one. But let me remove. First, right now we don't only want open cart.
yeah.
We want to call this. We want to call this with some event. And what is that event actually?
On click event.
Yeah, when we click on this button here, this should open. So we will attach on click event here, and you can do this here right away. Okay, right away here by just calling this function when we okay, just provide me give me hint. What should I do now? How can I call this function on click event?
I think we need to like make an like anonymous function, and inside we need to call that function.
Maybe we can create a function and call it. Maybe we can do this here as well, right? Right here.
Yes, we can.
Okay, let's try to do. Can I just write open cart here and directly call this function?
No.
Now, this will directly execute without clicking.
Execute, yeah.
Yeah, for that, I need to just write open cart here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if I click on add to cart, will it open or not? See, it is opening. So what we did is we attached simple event on click and we just called this function. This is now affected in the context actually. It is coming from use cart hook. Use cart hook is also accepting it from context. Finally, it is going in here. In that context, we have is open and set is open. What we are doing actually is we are executing the set is open from here. So we made it true or false. Depending upon the value, we are able to actually, oh, this is not our one actually. Did I do that here previously? We need to do it here. Yeah, this one. So when I click here, then it should open and close. So this is what we want actually. Not that much difficult, right? To integrate functionalities. To make UI, we need some time. It will take some time. To integrate functionality, it will be faster than you think actually. Okay, so but this is not adding products in the cart. See, we always have these four products in the cart. Why is that? Because we haven't updated the cart component yet. So the product component part is completed. We updated everything here. We changed the functionality of this button. And maybe we will do something more here because later we just don't only want to open this cart. We want to add products here as well. So we'll come back later to this component and update it. For now, let me commit it. So what we did is uh, uh, we updated the product price. We added that formatter. So util, we can say format price added. And so we open that model on add to cart. Okay, this is done until now. Now we need to do something in our cart component itself. So we need to go in our cart component and do something there because we have rendered that cart component here in our app.tsx here. So where is this coming from? Actually, it is coming from here. So this is what we want to update. I think this is done by Avinash, right? You can see his name here. When I hover over here, I can see the information. See, when I click here, this is also done by him. When I click here, now this is done by me actually. So yeah, we can see such information in VS Code if you want. And there is an extension called Git Lens. You can just install that extension and it will just help you to visualize those changes there. Okay, so let's go one more time there. Part.tsx. So you have already implemented that functionality to open and close the cart. Then let me just quickly explain what is happening here, and then we will go and do something more. We will add some more hook. We have already added hooks actually. We haven't done anything there. In cart product, we have this. We have oh, this is the component. We have these three hooks: use cart, use product cart, use total. We'll go and do something there. But this is the functionality that we just did right now. So what are you doing here, Avinash, in this file actually? What did you implement?
So uh so the first thing, on clicking with on that cart icon over there, so we don't have cart, so there is like identifier of number. So like
Yeah.
on clicking that, we are executing that function handle cart toggle, right?
Okay,
So
this one,
yeah,
this function. On
yeah,
clicking on this button, this one.
yeah, yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
And like whenever like we have like, if our cart is open, then we need to close that cart, and all else we need to open that cart. So
Okay, this is like a toggle, right?
toggle, right? Yeah,
So, so close and open. So it is doing same thing within the same button.
yeah,
So this button is here actually. We cannot see anything. We'll add icon there later.
yeah,
But this is that button. And you have attached on click on that button. And
yeah,
this is a handle card toggle function.
yeah,
You are passing the status of is open coming
yes,
from context once again.
yes.
So yeah, it will open or close. So when I first click, if it is true, it will
Then
uh, it will close the cart,
close the
right?
cart. Yeah,
Okay. So if it is false, then it will open the cart.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So when I click here, so you can
It's open.
visualize, okay, all the time. For example, you can go in inspect, you can go in console, and first visualize what is the value of is open. So you can see it is false here. Okay, it is false. And you are comparing here, this one. So you are passing it on handle card toggle, the value of is open. The value of is open is initially false.
False.
So the false value is passed. So when you click here, when you have that false value, this function should execute.
Yeah,
So is open is not true. That's why we are opening this card. And now once again, now you can see here the value of is open is true. Now when I click here, true will be passed to this function. And now this is valid, right? This is open is true. Now close card function will execute. That's why it is closing there. Okay, that's great. Yeah, this is the functionality actually added here. Guys, any question about this one? Or else we will move into the other one, other part. Do you want to ask anything here? How this card handle toggle is working, maybe something like that. Okay. Let's go and add one image there. That is that card icon image. This one coming from here. Can I download this image? Go to inspect. This is the background image, I think. I need to go there and I need to get it from CSS, this one. Good. Yeah, this is the icon we want. Let me save it in download. Okay. And I want to place it here somewhere. Somewhere maybe I just want to create assets folder there in public. Or you can say images as well. Your assets may be anything, or images may be the subfolder of assets. Just create images folder and place this here. This is like cart icon. Okay, we have this cart icon. Can I pass it and display cart icon here? I think you can try. Previously, I did it with this background image, right? Can we do the same thing here? Can you just tell me can how can we pass it to that card? First, you need to find where is that card located, right? You need to see it inside card.tsx. Okay, and this is actually the cart icon. This component is this component actually, right? And you need to pass that image here. So what you can do is you can just import. Maybe yeah, you can have this here. If you have images here, what you can do is you can directly write import, let's say, cart image from. So now the absolute URL will not work here, but you can write the benefit of having some folders in public folder is directory is you can directly extract something from there. Like you can just write, oh, just a second, guys. Okay, you can just write, for example, uh, dot slash. Okay, now it is saying cart. Let me see what will happen if I just write forward slash images forward slash cart icon dot png. Maybe you can write something like this. Let's say cart image is declared but never used. Let's try to use it and we'll see if it is working or not. Cart image. And let's pass this cart image in our cart icon. Cart image. You can say image only or icon equals to cart image. And this icon is going here. It is coming from our style component in here. So this is the cart icon that we have. This is the interface. We need to have that icon here as well. Maybe you can create optional one, string, and then icon is available here. See, previously we have this to do. Now we will complete it. Do we have some issue here? It is saying that red underline in style somewhere. Okay, we'll see that maybe. But what we want to do is we want to find this cart icon. Cart icon is here. We want to once again have this here, the same thing that we did previously. Now, instead of doing this here, what can you do? You can simply get first go into template literal and now pass your function here. You can simply destructure and get that icon here, and you can apply it right here. So icon. So we want to just apply this icon here. Okay, this is the background image that we want in image URL. Do you think this will work? Background image icon is coming from there. So we are passing icon from cart. So let me save it. Yeah, this icon is coming. But what is the issue here? Why is this showing red color? We close all of these, and I think that is some conflict. But still it has some issue here. Maybe just try, see what is the issue and try to resolve it. I'm not seeing any issue somewhere. Now it is gone. I don't think there is something, but yeah, just try. Yeah, we have this icon here now. So it is coming from that cart icon. Where is that? Cart icon is here, cart icon. So we accepted a prop called icon and we just applied it here. Now this is available here. So looks better, right? Than previous. Okay, that's fine. So this is just a simple part, but what about this thing? How can we add product here? For that, we need to go and update our two hooks, which are here. Inside context, we have inside cart context, we have use cart. We will do something here. Mostly, we will do some more thing here. See here, this is not done. So, use total inside use product cart. This should be use product cart actually. Okay, use product cart. This is the name actually, right? Name of the hook, product cart, use product cart. All right. So, and we have like use total hook. So use product card and use total hook are meant to be there to actually um, control these things. To control this person, we have this use total. To control this person, we have this use product card. Okay, let's go. We have done some progress here in use total, but let's do something here in use product card. What we essentially do want to do from here is we want to return, we want to have this functionality to add product. For now, let me remove this. Okay, we want to have this functionality to add product, and later we will just return that add product function from here. Simply, as simple as that. Okay? Let me expand it, and we want to write some code here. So we want to write some logic to add product. So when we click on this add to cart, we need to have one product here displayed here. Okay, so any idea, any thought about this one? How can we implement it? How can we add one more product from the existing product? These are like existing products, right? These are the existing products. So we want to add one more. One more means we want to just add only one. When we click on this add to cart, we just want to add that single product here on the cart from the existing product. We want to take that and update it here.
We use the spread operator and then like add like in the comma we'll add the new product like whatever, and then we'll assign it to like a new, or we can probably directly
Okay.
assign it to products.
So spread operator is required. Spread operator most of the time will copy the previous one, right? So currently, let's assume we don't have anything here. Anything, and there is nothing in the cart is empty for now. These are static one coming from other component. At first, we don't have anything, so we don't want to write that spread operator. We just want to add this product, single product in the cart. So yeah, later you are right. Later you will have one more product already in the cart, and you want to add another product in the cart. At that time, you will copy the previous one and add this product there. That's why we need a spread operator at that point. But for now, we don't need that one. First of all, we need to find whether some product is there or not, right? We cannot always assume, right? We need to find whether these products are here or not. Where are they coming from actually? These are just coming from, these are static things, okay? Coming from here. Here in cart product, we are just passing some products. See, if I remove it, there will be, oh, what happened? Implicitly has any props, okay? So let me just, we will come back and correct it sometimes later. But for now, we just want to um, have random things here. So we have declared it but never used it. I just want to remove everything from here. All right. So we are mapping this product dot using products.map. So currently I will make this any, and later I will make this of type I products, I card products actually. So this is not used, let me remove it then. Okay, this is used here, index is used. I will only remove this p person. What about with index? Index says it has implicitly any prop. That's fine. For now, that's fine. Now, if I go to add a cart, there is nothing in the cart. Now we need to add something there. So first we need to find whether we have something on the cart or not. Right? So uh, let's create some variable or some function to check whether we have something on the cart. So how can we detect? We already have products there. These are the products that we have. So what we can do is from those products, we will check if if that product is already on the cart or not. So or um, we cannot actually visualize this right now. This is not called anywhere. Use product cart. Let me see if we are using. No, we are not using. We will use it. Use this in our. Let me just run it from some location, maybe some from here as well. It's fine. Let will remove that. We just want to see the output is an every time. So this is running there. And if you write console log, inspect, we should see those products there, but it is not available. This console is not coming, but I need to click here to get that console. Maybe I can call this right now. It doesn't matter wherever I call this one. So I will call it directly in the product section. Okay, because we can see product, or I can call it directly on app here as well, just to check. Sometimes we need to use that somewhere. This is just to execute that function. Now that function will be executed. See here, we don't have anything in the products currently. So don't we have anything from context as well? What do you think? This product is coming from context, isn't it? Use card context. Let's go there. So where is that product? This product is here. Okay, it is like empty array here. We haven't actually updated this product from anywhere, right? Is there any way to update this product? Our product context, maybe we can use product hook, and we have get product here, right? So it means can I use product hook, and use product hook will update it. We haven't used this. This is the fetch product, which is another function we have. So this is coming from use product hook. Let me try calling this function from app.tsx. The function name is fetch product. So fetch product is coming from where? Use product hook. So I need to use that use product hook. Use product hook. And from that use product hook, we are getting that fetch products. Okay. Now I can call this. Okay, I'm just doing it here improperly. Later we'll organize it. But we are just calling this fetch products. Now it should obtain those products, right? Let me save it. Oh, okay. It is requesting to that URL. That URL is down, right? That's why we set up our one server. Let's go there in get product here in services product.ts. We are taking something from this URL. So since this is not available right now, we can't do this. So instead, what we can do is we want this data. So we have it in our static folder. I can just write this as products. This is coming from here. See, I can rename it as data as well. Now this is available here. I don't have to destructure it. That's why I'll comment this line as well. Now I'll not rename it. Now product is going from here. Now if I save now, we should get those products, right? Let's see. Refresh it. And see here in our, let me go on the app TSX, we used fetch products. We used fetch product. So what is this fetch product doing? Let's go there. Okay. Just want to go on that fetch product is coming from our services. Fetch product is just returning the products. And we cannot see the products here. Why is that? Why is that? We should see those products, right? So in services, this is just returning this product, and this is like a sync, but we are not doing any asynchronous things there. So currently we don't have, we use async as well to use those products. Now we have some issue. Let's see. Oh yeah, we are using .then method there somewhere. So otherwise we cannot use that, right? Without that async. So the .then method is used in our use product hook right here. So what are we doing? We are getting the product, get product. Get product will directly get those product actually right now. So right now we are not using the API. That's why we don't need to consume something here. So what we can do is we can directly set this product, because we are doing set products here. We can set the product from the product. So product is coming from here, get products, right? Get products is actually this function here, get products. Now we don't need a sync. This is providing us the product. So what we can do is get product, pass get product in here, pass the return value of the get product in here. So get product is providing us the products. Okay, so let's see. I refresh it one more time. Once again, we don't have any products here. Okay, something is wrong here. Component product provider while rendering a different component app. So yeah. Okay. Let's go here. We are calling this at this location. Most of the time we will call it through our products. Let me see if this is the issue. Let me comment this portion. And I'm going inside products now, products component. And we just want to see products coming here. That's only the thing we want, because we want to do something with the products. So I'm inside product right now, this person. So I just want to use these three things here. The first one is use products, and this is use cart. If I save it now, okay, this is not getting those products, right? So now let's inspect what happens actually. We used use products hook. Use products hook is having that fetch product function, right? And fetch product function is setting the product using set product from here. So set product is coming from here, from the context. So it is not able to update the context actually. So that's why we cannot see those here available here. So somehow we need to fix it. Otherwise we will not get those product. So finally we need to have access to those product. We are using it here right now. We need to have access to those products here, but currently we are not able to have these products. Okay, so yeah, I'm just ignoring this for now. Maybe we'll see that one, but let's just focus in this portion for now. We'll see about those product. Right now we are not actually getting that product, but we can still get those products from our backup product. That's why we have our backup products there. Products from here. Now we have our products. So if I do console log, we have these products. Okay, system products. These are rendered multiple times. Okay, so what we want to do is, right now our main concern is when I click here, we need to add one product here, but the product may be already there. That product may be already there. If that product is already there, see here, if this product is already there, for example, currently there is no product, right? If I click here, now this is added. But if I click here once again, it is not added twice. See, this product is not added twice. it is only updating the quantity. So, but if I add new product here, it has added another product. But if I click on that product once again, it has just updated the quantity. So we need to first check whether we have that product in the cart already or not. Okay. And then once we check the status of the product in the cart, then we can update our product. Okay, then first product is product in cart, something like that. We want to check product in cart. So you have products already and you want to check these products with these products. So these are all the available products and this is the product in cart. Okay, so can you tell me how will you check if it is there in your product or not? You have this are available as well and this one as well, right? But we don't have this product. This product will come later from as an argument here. When we call this function, we will pass that product. When we click here, when we click on the add to cart, where are we clicking on add to cart? Here, right? Add to cart. So at this point, what we will do is instead of just calling this open cart, now we will call multiple things. That's why I'm going inside another function. We will first call open cart, as well as I will immediately add to we have this function here, right? Just created. We will actually add product in the cart. We will add product in the cart actually. So this add product is coming from our use product cart hook. Let me just accept this here. Use product cart hook. Use product cart hook is sending as add product. Now we will pass this here. So which product we are clicking? This is already available here in the product itself. Okay, we just need to send that product from here. So do we have the status of the product? This is the product, right? We will just send this product from here. Now this product is sent. It is available in our hook there. Now we'll just accept that product. So this product is the product needs to be added in the cart. You can call it like new product that we want to add in cart. Okay, you can type it here as well. This should be of type I product, right? So now we have new product. New product means the product that you click here. So now can you tell me how can you compare this new product is there in your products or not?
We have to look through the products and check for the ID if the ID is present there.
Yeah. Okay. So to look through those products, what should we do? What can we do?
Map or yes, map function.
Map function will just map. Map means if you want to create another array with same length, then we'll use map function. So to check something is there or not, maybe we have some better functions available instead of map.
For each.
Yeah, you can use map for each. Filter might also work. There is another function in JavaScript. These are all array related functions actually. So yeah, you can use JavaScript filter method, but you can use this sum method as well. So or you have that find method as well. Okay, let's see. For this sum method, like here we have an array, right? And so we have this another number which is even number. So it is checking. So this array is containing even number or not, maybe something like that, right? So if I run this, it is true. If I remove this person from here, this is false. If I add another even number here, This is true. So it is essentially looping over this array itself with this thing. Currently, this array is our products, right? This is our products, and this here is our new product. So what do you want to do? You want to just loop over those products with your new product. All right. If it is there, then you will see true. But maybe you can do something more. So you can just return which product is there, something like that. Yeah. There we have this find method as well. Maybe I can go in Mozilla documentation. So this is finding array1. It is finding element which is greater than 10. So it is returning this 12. It will just return the value which is found first. What I mean is these are also greater than 10, right? It is only returned 12. Yeah, what I mean is there are many functions available. This is sum, right? We used this find. There is filter as well. There is like every as well. Maybe you can have a look at them. There is from function as well. And just try to use. It is really simple to learn from Mozilla documentation. You can just click here and just hit and trial right here. Okay, so so what is our main goal is we just want to see, maybe I can add this to the to-do list. Maybe you can send me some PR regarding this. This is really simple. You can just write that function from function here and find the product is already in cart or not. So this is to do. So once you received that status, whether that product is in the cart or not, once you receive it, it may be true or false value, right? So now you will write if your product is already on the cart. So if you have true, you'll replace this true with is product in the cart. Maybe you'll do it inside here, inside this function. For now, I just want to write true value here. Okay, this is a static value. This is the to do you want to complete. So if this is true, then true means the product is already on the cart, right? So what will you do? You will just increase the quantity if the product is already in the cart. Here you can see this first product is already in the cart. Now if I click here, only the quantity is updated. But for second product, this is not on the cart. That's why if I click here, this should be added here. So what you will do here is if product is in the cart, update the quantity of product, and else if it is not on the cart, then add product to cart. What do you think, guys? You can do that? Do this? Maybe you can try.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So once you do this, you will have this thing here. You will have product in the cart, whether it is already there or not. If it is already there, you will increase the quantity. If it is already not there, you will add this product. And here you can see subtotal. You already have another hook called use total, which is calculating all the price of the product in the cart. See, these are like total price. These are the products which are in the cart. We are already calculating the quantity. So you will display the quantity somewhere if you want, right here, right? And total price, you will display that price here. And this is just coming from that installment. Okay, if you increase, this should also be updated. Maybe you can calculate write one function for installment as well here to do this thing. What I mean is this portion is coming from here, and this portion here is coming from here, the product quantity, and the above one the below one, this one should come from another function which we don't have here. If you want to create another function here, this is actually calculate, right? Another function for installment, right? Okay, then almost cart functionality will be completed because we have done already this one. Because from here we haven't implemented. This is already here. So this is already going to be there. This is already going to be there. Almost all everything is completed, right? And product section is also completed. Now this portion is remaining. So tomorrow, if you send me some pull request, then it will help me to continue with this portion. Otherwise, I will need to work on this one as well tomorrow. So that's why I'm asking you to work on it and send a pull request. Maybe we can interact from your code. We'll discuss from there and move into this section. Otherwise, if I am not receiving anything, any pull request, then I'll work on this portion tomorrow. I'll finish it first, and then I'll go to the filter section. And filter section is not that much difficult. When I click here, the related filter to this, we will have that indication here actually. Actually, we have something like available size, right? If I click on X, this is XS, maybe I don't have it. And we'll see that one. Excel is here. Excel should also provide me all the products related to Excel. Actually, these are available sizes. Maybe somewhere there we have, yeah, access is here. So it should display me this product actually, if I just click on access. Okay, we'll do the filtering part and everything will be completed then. Finally, we are ready to actually yeah, use this small cart application, and the rest of the process, the product checkout process. Yeah, if you want to build something more feature here, maybe you can expand this application, but we will not do most of the thing. We'll move to Redux version after completing this part. And we need to see some testing there as well. Okay, everyone, can we, yeah, in this session here, maybe. Okay, I assume most of you will join tomorrow. Maybe you will send me some pull request. I'll just see before, yeah, tomorrow evening, your morning, I think tomorrow. So I'll just see today evening if there are some pull requests. Maybe I'll try to merge it, or we'll see in session tomorrow together, and we'll see how we can complete this person. And then if we have time, we'll see how we can test some of the components. Or divorce. All right. So yeah, any question, guys? Anything? Okay, then I'm going to end this session here. We'll meet tomorrow, guys. So thank you so much for joining. So I'll see you tomorrow. And goodbye, everyone. Have a great day. Good night.
Thank you, Gorak.
Thank you, Gorak. Thank you, everyone. Good night.